Derived from the Sanskrit word yuji, meaning yoke, or union, yoga is an ancient practice that brings together mind and body. It incorporates breathing exercises, meditation, and poses, designed to encourage relaxation and reduce stress. Practicing yoga is said to come with many benefits for both mental and physical health, though not all of these benefits have been backed by science. First is, can decrease stress. Yoga can help ease stress and lower your levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Second is, relieves anxiety. Practicing yoga can lead to a decrease in symptoms of anxiety. Third is, may reduce inflammation. Yoga may reduce inflammatory markers in the body and help prevent pro-inflammatory diseases. Fourth is, could improve heart health. Alone, or in combination with a healthy lifestyle, yoga may help decrease risk factors for heart disease. Fifth is, improves quality of life. Yoga could improve quality of life and may be used as an adjunct therapy for some conditions. Sixth is, may fight depression. Yoga may decrease symptoms of depression by influencing the production of stress hormones in the body. Seventh is, could reduce chronic pain. Yoga may help reduce chronic pain in conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome and osteoarthritis. Eighth is, could promote sleep quality. Yoga may help enhance sleep quality because of its effects on melatonin and its impact on several common contributors to sleep problems. Ninth is, could help improve breathing. Yoga incorporates many breathing exercises, which could help improve breathing and lung function. 10th is, may relieve migraines. Yoga may stimulate the vagus nerve and reduce migraine intensity and frequency, alone or in combination with conventional care.